Hey everybody, it's Market Monday. I want to give you an update on what is going on with mortgage rates. So the way we can tell where rates are heading is we look in the bond market. And in the bond market specifically are what are called mortgage bonds or mortgage-backed securities. These are actually mortgages that trade. People can invest in them. And just like a stock, as people buy more of these mortgages, it'll drive price up, as you can see by a green candlestick here. And when bonds sell off, they go down in price, which you can see in a red candlestick. And what's interesting is as bond prices go down, mortgage rates go up, and vice versa. As bond prices go up, mortgage rates go down. So we're always looking for green candlesticks here. Unfortunately, of late, we have seen a lot of red. We see a significant downtrend for most of September, a little bit of a rally in October, but then pretty much the rest of October has been a sell-off and a rise in mortgage rates. If you come right here to today, you can see we've already we started off to the downside, but we have since recovered a little bit. But again, the damage is really done from last week and really pretty much all year. So we're going to have to wait and see what happens this week. On Friday, we have the Fed's favorite measure of inflation, and that comes in the form of the PCE, personal consumption expenditure. That comes out Friday morning at 8:30, and typically inflation readings are market movers. And in general, as inflation comes down, mortgage rates tend to come down. However, what we've been experiencing is we've had a significant decrease in inflation this year, but mortgage rates are still going up. And the reason why is because the markets aren't convinced yet that we're out of the woods with inflation. This is one of the first times in history that we've seen mortgage rates rise while inflation is coming down. So we still feel like we're going to be the benefit from inflation coming down, but it's going to take a little bit of while. Man, I can't talk today. I apologize. It's going to take a little bit. There is a lot going on in the world, as you all know. We have a war in Ukraine. We have a war in the Middle East, right? We have our own political issues that we're dealing with right now. We have an election year coming up. And although inflation is coming down significantly, it still costs more to buy things today than it did yesterday or even last year. And we feel that. And all of that is factoring in to the bond market's response and why rates are continuing to creep up. Now, just because rates are higher does not mean it is not a good time to buy. I know that sounds counterproductive. I know we all want to wait until rates come down or possibly housing crashes. All right. We don't see housing crashing. In fact, if rates do come down, which we feel could happen at some point in 2024, that's going to bring more borrowers into the market, and that's going to create more offers on the already low inventory of homes that we have now. So that could continue to drive prices up. So we don't see any signs of a slowing housing market. We just feel it'll get busier if rates come down. So always a good time to look into buying now if that's what you want to do. We have several calculators that can help you with your decision. A cost of waiting calculator that's really good. I have a bid over ask tool I use to show clients if they have to go over asking price, when will they possibly recoup the money? So we don't just wing it here and throw your pre-approval up on a wall and see if it sticks. We're going to give you good, solid advice, answer questions that most people aren't giving you the answers to, and make sure that you are making the right decision if you are in the housing market and if you need to purchase a home. So please reach out to me if you want a complimentary pre-approval. We don't charge for these. We also run soft credit pulls, which we can run pre-approvals on, so you have nothing to lose here. No points lost in score, no fee for a pre-approval, just some time. Okay? Reach out to me, direct message me, and I hope you have a great day.